Alright, today's letter is V. So a cursive V is a lot like a lowercase u in print, just a lot curlier. So we're going to go up, down, and around. It's not really pointy like you think of a V being, but it works. And then the little curly Q is to attach to the next letter. The only difference between this and the U that you guys have already done is that a cursive U looked like that, so the connecting lines were low. On a V, the connecting lines are high up. So it's important to keep your connecting lines high up so that you can tell the difference between a V and a U. So this would be a U, these are V's. The difference is the connecting lines. So again, trace, print, trace, and then try it yourself. Trace, try it yourself. Alright, down here we have very, V-E-R-Y. So after you trace it, it's V into the E-R-Y. Then we have vote, V-O-T-E. Value, V-A-L-U-E. So V-A-L-U-E. Notice the bottom connections on the U, the top connections on the V. Video, V-I-D-E-O. So V-I-D-E-O. Dot your I. And violinist is the challenge word this morning. It's V-I-O. Oops. L-I-N-I-S-T. Take your time and really stretch it out for now. As you get better, you'll start to get a little bit more style, but for right now, let's focus on just making the letters correctly. Your next letter today is a W, and it's kind of like a double V. And so if you look, it's got kind of a double V stroke to it. So again, we're connecting at the top, but there's two of them. So down, up, and then a little curly to connect, like that. Do the same thing here. Oops. Connect, and a little curly to go to the next letter. Some people just do their W's like this, and that's fine too. As long as your connection is at the top. You're starting at the bottom, connecting at the top. You don't have to do that little curly there. If you want to, you can. Whoop. I usually just go like that. But it looks a lot like a print W, just a little curvier. Down here, when you get to your words, you've got wet. So W-E-T. W-E-T. Weeds. W-E-E-D-S. Get to practice letters that we've done before. Wander. W-A-N-D-E-R. And wheels. W-H-E-E-L-S. All right, take your time and try your best.